Hello guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna be answering a very interesting question. What piece of equipment do you need to start making videos? Let's get to it. Alright, so I haven't asked this question a lot. What do I need to even start recording videos? And if you're new in filmmaking or creating video content, it is understandable that you don't know what kind of tools and equipment you need to even start. There are a lot of tools and gadgets out there in the market at different prices, but there are a few essential things that you need to start recording your own videos. These things are, I believe, the must-have pieces of equipment that you need. Let us start with the obvious one. You need a camera. Yes, without a camera, it is impossible to create video content. Either you purchase a DSLR, a mirrorless camera, or you use your own cell phone. Whatever it is, you need a camera, period. And there are several brands that you can get the camera from. You can get it from Sony, Canon, Nikon, etc, etc, etc. You know, all will depend on your budget and your preference. Different cameras offer different specs and different tools. And overall, if it is a new camera, pretty much any camera you get, any brand will do the job, depending on what you want to use it for. Number two, if you get a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, you are going to need a lens. And a lot of the time, these cameras come with a kit, which includes a regular lens that you can use. But be careful, because sometimes the camera only comes with their body, and you're gonna have to purchase the lens on its own. So if you want to invest in a lens, I recommend you to get the 24 to 70mm 2.8, because that's a lens that you can use pretty much in anything, right? But it all depends on your budget. So if you have the budget to invest on lenses, go ahead, do so. If not, just stick to the one that comes with the kit. We move on to number three. You need a tripod. This one is a very important tool. The tripod will help you in any situation. Either you record yourself for your own content, or you use it to record a client that hire you. Don't let the tripod's appearance deceive you. You can use it in different ways to achieve amazing shots. They can be very versatile if you use them creatively. Alright, so number four, you need a microphone. You need one. You have to get one. Either a wireless microphone like the Rode Wireless Go, or just a boom microphone on top of the camera. And there are pretty good and affordable brands out there that you can get. But I cannot express enough the importance of having a microphone. It is at the most important for you to get a microphone. You can get a video with great quality, but if your audio is not good, most likely people won't watch your video for too long. Alright, so mambo number five. Alright, so you need lights. Natural light is amazing, it's perfect, but let's be honest, unless you're recording outdoors all the time, you will need a set of lights so you can record inside. And I repeat, there are all kinds of brands and prices out there that you can get. But if you ask me and you have the budget for, I recommend you to look into the aperture lights. They are pretty good and they're not as expensive as other brands. But if your budget is too low and you don't have the money to get those lights, don't worry. You can still get good set of lights for a lower price. Try looking for an Amazon and B&H. Usually they have pretty good deals. Number six, you need a backpack and a memory card. The backpack so you can keep your equipment safe and easy to carry around. And the memory cards, well, you need them to be able to record. The camera needs something so you can store all the footage that you are recording. If you don't have a memory card, you won't be able to record anything. Last one but not least, number seven. You need an editing software. If you're gonna be editing yourself, I recommend you into getting one. And I personally use Premiere Pro and the Adobe Cloud, in which I pay a monthly fee to have access to all the softwares. Because in my case, I need to use more than the Premiere Pro software. But there are other softwares out there that you can get, like Final Cut. And I think that one is like a one payment deal type of thing. There's also DaVinci Resolve, which I think is free to download. And you can upgrade to their paid version only if you want to. So I recommend you to look into these softwares if you are going to be the one editing. If not, I mean, you can always hire an editor to do the job for you. Alright guys, that's it. I hope this information is helpful, and I encourage you to look into these things. And also I recommend you to review and ask questions before you purchase any piece of equipment. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, and I see you guys next time. Peace.